Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Nested loops in Java can be tricky, but we can solve this array problem fast. Let's trace the indices to find the correct printed output. First, look at the outer loop starting at column index 1. This means we completely skip the first column containing letters A, E, and I. We only focus on the rest. Next, the inner loop starts at row index 1. This skips the entire first row of the array, so we ignore A, B, C, and D while printing our final result. Starting at row 1, column 1 gives F and J, then G and K, then H and L. That makes E correct. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check your steps carefully.